Hello friends, my name is Japneet Ko. In this video, we are going to create a basketball game. So first of all, open the website code.org. After opening it, you need to create your account. Okay, done. After creating your account, go to the create option present here and click on view all projects. After clicking it, you will see a page like this. Okay, so after that, scroll down and click the option view full list. Open this basketball. After opening it, you will get a workspace and blocks present here and a space where you can test your application. Okay, so now when run button is pressed, means when we will press run button, it should throw a ball. Okay, when left arrow is clicked, it should move left. When right arrow is clicked, it should move right. When ball hits hand, it should bounce. That it should bounce back. Okay, and then when ball hits ball, it should bounce again. After doing that, when ball in goal, oh now ball is in the goal. We need to score point. And when ball is in the goal, now we need one more ball, so we will add throw new ball. After that, when ball misses hand, means when it will miss, when this hand miss ball, then score opponent's point and throw a new ball again. And after that, you can even play a bounce sound. Okay, when this run button will be pressed. Okay, and if you want that it should played after it is in goal, you can check here. There are so many. Okay, you can change even color of the hand and check, and you can see the speed also. Set the speed and set the speed of a ball also. And taking normal. Now our coding part is done. Okay, so now let us test that. Wait, done. Okay, so let me run. It is working fine, but it is very slow. We want that it should be complicated to play. So what we will do? We will set the ball speed to be fast and hand speed to be fast. Let us play that. It's working now. Now 1 point has been scored. Yeah. Okay. And we can add a sound for when ball misses hand. We can add a sound like whistle. Okay. Now new ball. Okay. It's working fine. It's really complicated. And if we want that it should be very hard, so we will take the very fast ball speed and normal speed also, or very fast also. Okay, press run button. Oh, it's very fast now. Oh, we get a goal. It's very fast now. It's up to you that if you want to make it very complicated, you can. If you want to make it a normal game, you can. And if you want to rename it, click the button rename here and make it like I'm writing basketball. Okay, basketball. Save basketball. And if you want to share that, copy this link. Okay, copy this link and done. You're done with that. In my next video, I will tell you how to make a Flappy game in studio.code.org. Thanks for watching.